Unit 4, Farm Animals, KG2. Farm animals. A farm is an area of land where animals live. Farmer. A farmer works hard every day. He raises animals like sheep, cows, hens, and many farm animals. He feeds them. The farmer also grows lots of fruits and vegetables. Cow. This is a cow. The cow gives us milk. Milk is good for us to grow. It's important for our bones and teeth. Calf. This is a baby cow. A calf. Horse. This is a horse. The farmer uses the horse to help him pull the carts in the farm. Foal. This is a baby horse. A foal. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. It's a small furry animal with long ears and a short tail. It eats carrots and lettuce. Bunny. This is a baby rabbit. A bunny. Hen. This is a hen. A hen lays eggs. Eggs help us grow up healthy and strong. Chick. This is a baby hen. A chick